Hello everyone, this is a short video on how to attempt an orthographic question when you're given such an object. So first of all, we have to identify the surfaces. We are given three arrows and we are given the object. This object, you'll find it on the isometric grid. And to start with, first of all, we have to label the faces. For example, this one would be the front face, F1, and this would be F2. But that's not all. We have to add a crate here. So the crate will look like this. This part is going to be F3. Now, when we look at the object from the top, this will be T1, this will be T2. This shape will be T2. And then from the side view, this will be S1, S2. From here, the isometric grid, we have to draw it on the square grid. We are going to start with F1. In this direction, we are drawing the length. In this direction, we are drawing the height. And then in this direction, we are drawing the depth. So in the front view, we have length and height. In the top view, we have length and depth. This is the direction for depth. And in the side view, we'll have height and depth. Now, let's put this information together. These three triangles we are going to count as length. So 1, 2, 3, 3 length. We can start from here. 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3. So this would be height. This is direction for height. 3 height. 1, 2, 3 height. And then we complete the shape. This is F1. Next to F1 we have F3. It is 2 high and 3 length. 2 high, 3 length, and then we complete the shape. Next to F1 and F3 is F2. We are going to draw F2 here. F2 is 4 length and 5 high. 4 length and 5 high. This is how our front view looks like. Next, we are going to draw the top view. We have to leave at least 2 squares before we start the next drawing. So T1 is 3 deep here. 1, 2, 3. And then this is the length. This is the length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 1 deep here. And then it moves 4 lengths. And then again 2 deep. So this is T1. Next to T1 we have T2. So T2 is 2 deep and 3 length. 2 deep, 3 length. This is our top view. Next to our front view we'll have the side view. So we'll start with the S2. S2 is, for example, if you start this corner, this is 3 high, and then this is 4 deep, and it is 5 high, and then it moves 2 deep, and then this is the inclined surface. This is S2. And finally we have S1, which is 1 deep and 5 high. 1 deep and 5 high. This is S1. All of these lines you should be using your rulers to draw it. We have to leave these gaps of 2 squares, and then we have to correctly align them, which means that they should be on the same line parallel to each other. For the side view, there may be a common question, why haven't we drawn this bird? It is because the crate, it is an invisible and imaginary line that you have added to it just to help us draw this bird, which is F3 and T2. But here, we do not have anything. This is why we are not going to draw this bird. I hope this video will help you with your revision. Thanks for watching.